Hello everyone, I am Vamik Khan, currently pursuing BLLB from Vivekanand College of Law, Aligarh. Currently I am also legal intern at Lexis and Company Law Firm. So my presentation topic is Lok Adalat, Powers and Jurisdiction. Concept of Lok Adalat in India. Lok Adalat, Powers and Jurisdiction. The Lok Adalat was introduced in 1982. It is involved in India starting from the state of Gujarat in the year 1982. Lok Adalat settles the disputes by conciliation and compromise. At national and taluka level, Lok Adalat developed alternative settlements to settle disputes. Concept of Lok Adalat in India. Establishment. According to Section 19 of the Legal Service Authority Act 1987, the Act provides that every state authority or district authority of the Supreme Court Legal Service Committee or every High Court Legal Service Committee, or as the case may be Taluka Legal Service Committee, may organize Lok Adalat at such place and for exercising such jurisdiction. Commencement. The Lok Adalat was introduced in 1982. The Lok Adalat was organized on 14th March 1982 at Junagadh in Gujarat. Maharashtra commenced Lok Nyayalaya in 1984. Necessity. The Lok Adalat was a necessity in a country like India where illiteracy dominated all of the governance, including judicial governance. Certain of creation of Lok Adalat. Increasing litigation inordinately of justice. The need to receive the confidence among the ordinary people was by the state bodies and judiciary, the result of which was the creation of Lok Adalat. Concept of Lok Adalat in India. Powers and jurisdiction. Jurisdiction of Lok Adalat. According to Section 19 of the Legal Service Authority Act 1987, a Lok Adalat shall have jurisdiction to determine and arrive at a compromise or settles the dispute between the parties in respect of any case pending before or any matter which is falling within the jurisdiction of and is not brought before any court for which the Lok Adalat is organized. Lok Adalat shall have no jurisdiction for offences which are not compoundable under any law. Powers of Lok Adalat. Summoning and enforcing the attendance of any witness and examining him and her on oath. Production and discovery of any documents, received evidence on affidavits, requestioning of any public record or document or copy thereof or from any court. For the determination of any dispute coming before the Lok Adalat has the power to specify its procedure. Functions of Lok Adalat. Lok Adalat accepts both cases, civil and criminal cases of parties. Lok Adalat conducted by retired judges, a judicial official and social worker. Lok Adalat informs the specific time, date and place. Lok Adalat arranges compromise and records. Lok Adalat saves times and energy of parties. Lok Adalat saves expansion of appeals and revision. Composition of Lok Adalat. At the national level, Supreme Court level, the Supreme Court Committee organized the Lok Adalat has the power to constitute benches of Lok Adalat. At every High Court level, state level, the Secretary of the High Court Committee organizing the Lok Adalat has the power to constitute benches of Lok Adalat. Composition at state level, bench of Lok Adalat. Sitting or retired judge, a senior lawyer and a renowned social worker. Third, at the district level, the Secretary of the District Authority organizing the Lok Adalat has the power to constitute benches of the Lok Adalat. Bench consists following sitting or retired judicial officer, senior lawyer of the local bar, renowned social worker. Award of the Lok Adalat. Award passed by the Lok Adalat in India shall be the final because the Lok Adalat passes the award with the consent of the parties. Therefore, there is no need to review or to consider the matter again and again. The court passed a decree with the consent of the parties, then there is no appeal according to CPC. Lok Adalat following the legal principle equity and natural justice to proceed and dispose of the cases and arrive at compromise or settlement. Lok Adalat pass an award or decree of civil court or as the case may be which is final. Important case law related to Lok Adalat. Punjab National Bank versus Lakshmi Chand Rai, hierarchy of courts in India and the judicial system in India. So This is all about Lok Adalat powers and jurisdiction. Thank you and have a nice day.